Welcome to QuizMonks. Let's see if you can ace these 55 farm animals and farm life questions. Subscribe for more quizzes. How many stomachs does a cow have? 1, 2, or 4? And it was 4. Why do pigs roll in mud? For fun, to cool off, or to get clean? To cool off. Well done. Do boy chickens lay eggs? Yes, no, or sometimes. It was indeed number. What is sheep's wool for? Eating, keeping warm, or making beds? Keeping warm. Perfect. How long can a horse live? 5 years, 10 years, or 25 years? The answer is 25 years. What is a baby goat called? Kid, pup, or chick? Kid? Well done. What is kept inside a barn? Only animals, hay and tools, or toys? Did you guess hay and tools? Why do chickens eat tiny stones? For fun, to help digest, or to play? To help digest. Perfect. How much milk can a cow make daily? 5 liters, 20 liters, or 50 liters? Correct answer, 20 liters. What does a rooster do daily? Wake up, lay eggs, or sleep all day? And it was wake up. Why do ducks have webbed feet? Swim fast, walk slow, or dig holes? Swim fast. Correct. What is a farm dog's main job? Herding, playing, or sleeping? Herding. Bullseye. What sweet food do bees make? Milk, honey, or jam? Honey. Incredible. What helps a farmer plow fields? Tractor, car, or bicycle? It's tractor. Why do farmers change crops sometimes? For fun, soil health, or more water? Soil health. Perfect. What special food do cows eat most? Hay, fruit, or meat? It's hay. What helps a scarecrow stand tall? Straw, wind, or friends? It's straw. What is a baby pig called? Puppy, piglet, or calf? Drum roll, please, piglet. What do chickens lay for breakfast? Eggs, milk, or feathers? Eggs. Well done. Which farm animal can't jump at all? Pig, sheep, or horse? Pig. Correct. What does a farmer grow for flour? Wheat, corn, or apples? It's wheat. What is a horse's special foot called? Paw, hoof, or claw? Hoof. Nailed it. What helps plants grow strong in soil? Nutrients, rocks, or sand? Did you guess nutrients? What is a barn cat's main job? Catch mice, guard sheep, or pull cart? Catch mice, exactly. Why do cows chew food twice? Taste, digest, or play? And it was digest. What is a chicken's home called? Coop, nest, or stable? Coop. That's it. What is a group of sheep called? Herd, flock, or pack? Flock. Incredible. Why do horses wear special shoes? Style, protection, or faster? Protection. You got it. What food is made from milk, cheese, bread, or candy? Drum roll, please, cheese. What helps farmers carry many things? Wheelbarrow, basket, or backpack? Wheelbarrow. Exactly. What does a chicken's beak do? Sing, eat, or sleep? Eat. Perfect. Which vegetable grows underground? Carrot, tomato, or apple? Correct answer, carrot. What does hay give farm animals? Soft bed, warmth, or energy? The answer, energy. How do chickens keep eggs warm? Sit on them, blankets, or fire? Sit on them. Bullseye. What makes a pig's nose special? Sniffs food, digs earth, or looks pretty? Digs earth. Spot on. What does a horse's tail do? Swat flies, wave hello, or hold things? Swat flies. Bullseye. What do goats like to climb? Trees, mountains, or fences? Drum roll, please, mountains. What helps ducks float on water? Light bones, oily feathers, or big feet? Oily feathers. Correct. How does wool keep us warm? Traps air, makes heat, or is heavy? Traps air. Well done. What helps seeds grow into plants? Sun and water, music, or toys? Sun and water, you got it. What is a group of pigs called? Flock, sounder, or herd? Sounder. Bullseye. Why do ducks oil their feathers? For shine, to waterproof, or for flying? Drum roll, please, to waterproof. What helps soil stay healthy for plants? Stones, worms, or dry leaves? It's worms. Which animal sees almost all around? Cow, horse, or pig? The answer is horse. What is a silo used for? Store grain, house animals, or park tractor? Correct answer. Store grain. What unique sound can a pig make when happy? Squeal, purr, or oink? The answer is purr. Until next time, hit that like and subscribe button.